awareness run. So in lieu of the celebration of Autism Awareness Month, April is the month for us to give or shed a light in each and every way that we have. When we say autism, it is a neurodevelopmental syndrome. To make it easier, let's say that symbol of autism. And then each puzzles have words. Okay? And then we're going to share regarding on what you have formed in the puzzle. Okay? Also here. You can just
Jigsaw day.
Okay, wait.
Okay, go Liam.
Oh, Liam.
Okay.
Liam.
Do it, Liam.
Let's
Medyo mo
see.
dyan.
This is supposed to be here. This one probably. Kalas. Kalas.
Ano eh, may mas mahirap pa ba dito?
Okay, finish.
I will explain.
We have to understand and accept autism. Thank you.
Ano daw? Ano daw?
Thank you.
Lumapit ka din. Baliktad pala yung socks ko. Baliktad pala yung socks ko. It's okay. They will never know. Ang sarap pagkain ko.
Pag sa hapo ay doon ka mag-ano. Eh, maraming paa.
Slowly, slowly. Come on, come on.
Gradual, gradual. I-ano mo lang sis. Manage mo lang. Papabong. Body mo.
The landing is in the mid center of our body to here. Then we will push forward. No? It's okay for you to straight, the flexion, that your feet landing is always in front of your body, not forward. Okay? Okay, 10 seconds. That's a good run, huh? So
6, 5, 4, 3, 1, let's go.
Alright.
Last 20 seconds.
For the face. Ready? And go! Stamp the floor!
And go. Switch. 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 Right, left, 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 right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left.
I do digital art, yeah.
What's so different about you with other people?
Well, something unique about me is I am not one of the Gen Alpha kids. I'd like Skibidi Toilet.
They are not.
Hindi na!
Maiyak pa si Man.
Well, as a mother of
Child.
yeah, as child and children,
Husband.
it's very hard for me also. Of course, first,
No, related to uniqueness and hardship, no?
nga. Okay. Okay, hindi pala niya. Doon ako sa acceptance. Yeah, they're all, they're unique. Their, their talent, their
With what?
ability, or they're special.
Uniqueness and special talents. I consider them as, not as special, because special means to me they need something, But for me, they are what you call this one?
Special.
I forgot.
If they're not special,
They're not special.
ayaw na. Yung paghilom di hard.
For uniqueness, of course, each one of us has its own uniqueness. So, yeah, we are
I
unique.
think.
As special talents, we have our own creativity.
So, okay.
ADHD in them and a bit of autism. So we shouldn't see them as someone separate to us or we get scared or something. We should explore them, we should accept them. That's their uniqueness. And the special talent, maybe they can do something much better than us. Maybe they have something much more capable than us. Maybe they are built with miracles in them and we just don't know them yet. We can't get inside their mind. So that's the uniqueness and special talent which we should accept and cherish.
Yes, yes! Yes, man!
You're the winner.
Mother as a mother.
I think it's all about their unique personality and how they see the world differently. Special talents is connected to the uniqueness of their creativity, which is like beyond like what other people have. So, and if we connect it to the acceptance, so this is how we accept their uniqueness and special talents.
Yeah.
Ay, nasa'yo pala yung phone ko.
Ano naman?
And understanding. So basically, if a lot of people are not aware of, there are different spectrum of autism, and I think it's important for us to accept and understand that they are also they want to live normally and they want to live just like us. So it's a matter of accepting, understanding what their capabilities and limitations are, and accept them as part of our society and treat them as you would treat a normal person, because like they're just like us. It's just like, you know, there's a different spectrum, and yeah, I think that's it.
Based on your understanding.
Acceptance for, you know, like what Ate said, for what they are, and then like understanding all their not only their needs but their capabilities, and celebrating their
Okay, just listen.
For me, being a mother, I think if we have a child of having an autism, we have to like understand them 100%. And then it's not only understanding and accepting. We should be giving them our unconditional love as well.
Yes.
Thank you.
Accept and understand.
Finish! Alas! Alas!
Kunin niyo ulit.
Ano eh, may mas mahirap pa ba dito?
Time, time.
Okay.
Run after autistic. Run after the autistic.
Press
Jocelyn.
Press Jocelyn. Alright. Go bot.
That's